Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix iCloud not syncing issue on iPhone. So first thing, you'll need to open your settings and then search for iCloud Drive. Click on the first option. Right, and make sure the sync this iPhone option is enabled. If it's not enabled, then you'll need to enable it. Go back. And then as you can see in here, my photos are not syncing into my iCloud. So what you need to do is to enable this or turn this on. In my case, I don't want this to be synced on iCloud, so I'm not going to press that. Go back. And then for iCloud Mail, you may use your iCloud storage in order for you to back up that. If you've tried this step and still not syncing on your iCloud, then what you need to do is to restart your iPhone. And then once you restart your iPhone, try to check your settings again. And if it's still not working, then what you need to do is to try to sign out and then sign in with your Apple ID. And those are the options on how you can fix your iCloud not syncing on. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.